Would you hold me if I told you we can just run away? So come, my darling, let me help you. We can follow the sun and leave the rain for somebody else. Let's help ourselves, leave our troubles on the shelf. And don't you worry, we're gonna find all we need in our sunset paradise. All the sidewalks and the highways, they will turn into dust as Mother Nature covers over every street we take, and leave the way for somebody else to help themselves, leave their troubles on the shelf. So don't you worry, we're gonna find all we need in our sunset paradise.
Good morning. So I'm in a layover spot on my way to Arizona. Well, I am in Arizona, and I came a scenic route. I had a one-nighter somewhere, and I went off the interstate, and instead of backtracking, I decided to come a scenic route. It was a beautiful drive. I'll put it in the captions because I don't remember what the name of it was. Beautiful drive, though, up north of Tucson. And was heading into Phoenix. It was getting kind of late and I needed to get some work done, so I looked at iOverlander and I found this area. It's Arizona State Trust land. Absolutely gorgeous area. I mean, look at this. And so Arizona State Trust, you go online, you get a pass for $15. It's an annual pass. That's for individual. You get a family pass for $20. And it allows you 14 days of camping. Not at a time, for the entire year. 14 days of camping. Unlimited day use though. So, yeah. Awesome find. This is why it's nice to be flexible and to not be like, okay, must get to my destination today, and just kind of see what you find along the way. And now I've been here 2 nights because it was just so beautiful. The campsite's a little noisy. We're right on a road that goes out to an OK Corral movie set. I'm not gonna go out there. It's touristy. I don't really like touristy things. And you can tell there's a little noise here. There's some construction going on in the park behind me. But just thought I'd show you this, tell you about Arizona State Trust land. I've always seen it in my travels, and I've always been deterred from camping in some spots because I didn't have a signal to get a permit or whatever. But now I have a permit, and I've got 12 more days of camping in Arizona Trust land. So beautiful morning walk. Welcome to Arizona. Wait for it. Wait for it. How big are Sororos? Look at that. Wow. Giant Sororos. This is Peralta Road near Gold Canyon, Arizona. State Trust land. There is a ton of camping out here, but it's pretty crowded. I had to come out the road at least 3 miles, I think, before I found this spot. And it's really literally right on the side of the road. But there's a lot out here, especially if you're in a van. Do you have a boo-boo? Did doctor tell you to elevate it? Are you keeping it elevated? Are you drowsy? Good girl. You keeping it elevated? Okay. So I'm gonna roast up. I have a little leftover cauliflower. I'm gonna roast it up in the oven for dinner, and just gonna throw some olive oil on it and throw it in the oven and try to caramelize it. Roasted cauliflower is one of my favorite things. So I've been saving all these bags, like, you know, all these Ziploc bags that you get all kinds of things in. I save them for my wet garbage, and I had so many of them and I didn't want to throw them away. I didn't have anywhere to store them. They were like stuffed everywhere. So I got this. I bought this a while ago. It's a gear hanger. It's a gear net, and I just hung it up here for all my extra plastic bags that I save for garbage because I don't want to have to buy, and I'd rather recycle and reuse. See, so I hung this up. Super lightweight. I didn't want to put anything heavy in it, but I hung this up. And see, so I just did a couple. These things are really nice to have. These are the things that hold like rope lights. They sent, I got a whole bunch of them with the rope light set that I bought. So I just hung this up here, up there. Super easy, just drill a couple holes in. And it looked ugly with just bags in it. So I put one of the extra couch covers that I bought in there and just kind of trying to decorate it. Getting creative with my storage the longer I'm in here, but it's still not very pretty, but hey, it works. All right, so I'm roasting the cauliflower. I don't know what I'm gonna make with it yet. We'll figure that out later.
Don't you worry, we're gonna find all we need in our sunset paradise.
One of my favorite combinations is cauliflower and lentils. So just cooking up some lentils, super easy. Just throw them in a pot with some broth. I threw a little curry in. And at the end, just chopped up some kale to get some greens and grated some fresh spinach in it with some salt. And I'll throw it all together and it'll be delicious. I think that's what dinner's gonna be. Yeah. A word of caution about cooking curry inside your RV. Everything in your RV is going to smell like it. Your clothes, your hair, everything is going to smell like it until you wash it. So it smells like, every time anybody comes into my RV, they're like, it smells like a health food store in here, actually, is what they said. But especially when you're cooking with curry, curry really sticks, and everything is going to smell like curry in here for a while. So in case you're having company, you never know. All right, there we go. Just lentils and cauliflower. Oh my gosh, that's very good. Very good. And all this took like a half hour to cook. Super easy to eat healthy. Wow, these views, what a great spot. So I highly recommend, if you're in the Tucson area, to come out and check this area out. And if you're into Old West movies, there's a lot to see out here. The OK Corral or something is right down the road. So, all right. Hope you enjoyed hanging out with me today as I reached Arizona and the final leg of my road trip. My second road trip cross country in 2 years. And thank you all so much for being here. Do me a favor. Check your subscriptions. Just because you think you're subscribed to my channel doesn't mean you are, because YouTube unsubscribes people. And if you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? It really helps me a lot if you subscribe. And don't forget to get your 2023 Carolyn's RV Life adventure calendar, RV Life adventure calendar. I've got some great photos in there, hand-picked. You're going to get something unique, and we still have some left, and it's not too late. We're just in the middle of January. If you order it today, you'll get it next week. So thank you all so much for hanging out with me. I'll see you next time. In the meantime, be happy, be free, and be kind. Mwah. See you soon. I'm going to enjoy my dinner.